This is the elevator at the East Liberty Presbyterian Church, also known as the Cathedral of Hope in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a 1980s Dover Marshall Impulse. Go to the basement. Door close button works. This was obviously modernized because of the slap-on panel. Smells funky in this elevator. You're at the basement, go to 3. This is from the 80s. Here at the basement level. Low pitch chime, up is burned out. And here we go up to 3. You can't hear the motor because of the fan, which I hate that fan. It's the only thing I don't like about this elevator. Here at 3, go back down to 1. This has a low pitched chime, as you can tell. Hold on. Ooh, it's dark up here. No phone, not even the wiring. Completely empty. It's your basic wooden cab, fake wood obviously. Not sure if this is the original cab or not, but I'm pretty darn sure this was modded at some point. It says Marshall. Here back at 1. Certificates in the engineering department. Interior back. Keys to fire your stairs. Also notice how the call button is on the side right here. See? Kind of interesting as well. That's another sign that it was modded. Here it goes, and that's it. Also the old bumper.